In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to draw a straight line in Procreate. This is probably going to be the easiest tutorial that you will ever see. So let's dive right into it. First of all, we're going to open up Procreate. Now I will just start a new project by pressing the plus symbol in the upper right corner of the screen. And we will go with this format here, but it doesn't really matter. Now let us just quickly choose a brush from here. Maybe a sketching brush would be good. And I'm just going to use this 6B pencil here. Now all you need to do to draw a straight line in Procreate is to actually draw the line and then keep the pen on the canvas and hold. And just like that you can easily create straight lines. Once the line is straightened, you can actually let go. Let me show you this again. Just draw a line and keep the pen on the canvas and it will turn into a straight line. If you keep the pencil on the canvas, you can then also move the line around just like that. And whenever you're happy with the result, just let go. Now, as this is so cool, let me also quickly show you yet another hack. You can also draw a very bad circle like this. And if you keep the pencil on the canvas, Procreate will automatically close the gap, just like that. Now, to be honest, this looks more like an egg than a perfect circle, right? But this can also be solved very easily. Just hold the pencil on the canvas and then on top of that put one finger on the canvas as well. And just like that, the egg will be transformed into a perfect circle. And once you let go, the circle is finalized. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please make sure to smash the like button and subscribe for more Procreate tutorials.